Volume measurement. Enter the measurement interface and select volume measurement to perform the measurement. Then find an obvious position as the starting point. Measure the bottom circumference of the entire object to be measured. When you are about to return to the starting point, be careful not to directly click Finish Measurement. In the line type selection at the bottom, find Aux points and tap it to switch the line type. Next, we need to collect auxiliary points within the measurement range. To make it easier to see which places have already been measured, we can measure along a certain direction and order. The more internal auxiliary points are collected, the more accurate the estimated volume will be. Representative points such as the highest point should also be obtained. After the auxiliary point measurement is completed, click Save to save. You can view various data by opening the volume measured just now in the file. Click on the bottom view to see 3D surfaces and contour lines.